Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how creatine works in the body. Creatine is a fascinating natural compound, primarily stored within your muscle cells. It plays a crucial role in helping your muscles generate energy, especially during those quick, powerful bursts of activity. Your body actually produces about 1 gram of creatine every day, and you can also get it from foods like red meat and fish. Understanding its function is key to appreciating its benefits. Once you ingest creatine, it quickly makes its way into your bloodstream. From there, it embarks on a journey to your muscle cells, which are quite adept at absorbing it thanks to specialized transporters. It's quite remarkable that about 95% of all the creatine in your body is stored right there in your skeletal muscles, ready to be put to work. This efficient delivery system ensures it's available where it's needed most. Inside your muscle cells, creatine undergoes a vital transformation, combining with phosphate to create phosphocreatine. This phosphocreatine is incredibly important because it rapidly regenerates adenosine triphosphate, or ATP. Think of ATP as the direct energy currency your muscles use for every contraction. This rapid regeneration system is what allows your muscles to perform those powerful, short bursts of activity, giving you that extra edge during intense exercise. Creatine supplementation offers several impressive benefits, including a significant boost in strength and power output. Many users also experience improved exercise performance and support for muscle growth. A common approach involves a loading phase of 20 grams per day for about 5 to 7 days to quickly saturate your muscles. After that, a maintenance dose of 3 to 5 grams daily is usually sufficient to sustain those benefits, helping you achieve your fitness goals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.